This is how to draw Trimix. Let's review what should be in your Trimix package. You should have your vial of Trimix, the injection needles, and alcohol pads. Trimix application is based on dosage. Remove the needle and plunger caps. Draw the amount of air into your syringe that corresponds with your prescribed dosage. For example purposes, we've drawn 0.15 milliliters. Your dose may vary. After removing the cap from the vial of Trimix, wipe it with an alcohol pad. Inject the air into the vial. Position the vial upside down and draw your prescribed dose of Trimix into the syringe. It's important to remember that as the vial gets lower in content, to have the tip of the needle just above the rubber stopper to get any remaining liquid. The syringe is now ready to inject. Be sure to refrigerate any remaining Trimix solution. Check out our website at theedclinic.com.